Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will create this object in which you are going to learn how to use extrude command and cut extrude command. First, I will make this rectangle whose width is given as 60 mm, height is given as 28 mm, and length is given as 60 plus 22 plus 8 plus 22, which is equal to 112 mm. First, go to create sketch and select this plane. Now choose rectangle tool and create a rectangle here. Now go to dimension tool, give the length as 112 mm, give the width as 60 mm. Now go to solid, choose extrude command and give thickness as 28 mm. Click OK. Now I'll make this cut whose length is given as 60 minus 20, which is equal to 40 mm, and height is given as 14 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to create and choose center rectangle tool and create a rectangle here like this. Go to dimension tool and give this distance as 14 mm and give this height as 40 mm. Now rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command and drag the arrow like this. Click OK. Now I will make this hole which has a diameter of 18 mm and it is a distance of 24 mm from this surface. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to circle tool and create a red circle here with diameter 18 mm. Now give this distance as 24 mm and this distance as 30 mm. Now rotate the model like this. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command and select the profile. Now drag the arrow in the downward direction. Click OK. Now I will make this part whose width is given as 60 mm, height is given as 60 mm, and length is given as 22 plus 8 plus 22, which is equal to 52 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to rectangle tool and create a rectangle here like this. Go to dimension tool, give this length as 52 mm and give this height as 60 mm. Now rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and enter height as 60 mm. Now I will make this cylinder whose diameter is given as 60 mm and length is given as 68 mm. For this, first go to construction, choose offset plane and select the surface and the distance as minus 26 mm. Click OK. Select this plane and create a sketch on it. Go to circle tool and create a circle at the midpoint. Go to dimension tool and enter diameter as 60 mm. Now rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command and select this profile. Choose direction as symmetric and enter distance as 34 mm. Choose operation as join, click OK. Now I will make this cut whose diameter is given as 32 mm and length is given as 68 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to circle tool and create a circle at the center of the cylinder and give the diameter as 32 mm. Rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command and select the profile. Now drag the arrow as shown. Click OK. Now I will make this base whose length is given as 58 mm, width is given as 32 mm, thickness is given as 12 mm, and it is at a height of 16 mm from the bottom surface. For this, go to construction, choose offset plane, rotate the model and select the surface. Enter distance as minus 16 mm. Click OK. Select plane tool and make a sketch on it. Go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle here like this. Go to dimension tool, give this distance as 8 mm, give a height as 58 mm. Again go to dimension tool and give width as 32 mm. Rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command. Select the profile and enter distance as minus 12 mm. Click OK. Now we need to make this area round, whose diameter is given as 32 mm. For this, go to fillet tool, select the surface and enter radius as 16 mm. Click OK. Now we need to make the cylinder whose height is given as 24 mm and diameter is given as 32 mm. For this, select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to circle tool and create a circle here like this. Go to dimension tool and give the diameter as 32 mm. Now rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and enter distance as 12 mm. Click OK. Now we need to make this hole whose diameter is given as 16 mm and height is given as 24 mm. For this, select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to circle tool and create a circle here with diameter 16 mm. Now rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and drag the arrow in the downward direction. Click OK. Now we need to make this rib whose thickness is given as 8 mm. For this, go to construction, choose offset plane, select the surface and enter distance as minus 16 mm. Click OK. Now select plane 3 and create a sketch on it. Go to create, choose project tool, select this edge and click OK. Now select the surface, go to create, choose intersect tool, click OK. Now go to create, choose line tool and make a profile here like this. Rotate the model as shown. Click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile, enter direction as symmetric and distance as 4 mm. Click OK. Now we see some gap here which can be removed by using extrude command. For this, select the surface, choose extrude command and select extend type as to object. Select the surface, click OK. Now the object is ready. We will give some color to the object. For this, select the surface, right click it and choose appearance. Now drag the material to the object. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel if you like the video.